Hi friends, Saurav here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about PL SQL package. This is one of the important concepts in PL SQL and important point when it comes about the interview. So this is one of the important thing in PL SQL actually. So let's start the tutorial. Packages are stored libraries in the database which allows us to group related PL SQL objects under one name. Okay, it means what we can do, we can write multiple functions and procedures at one place at one package body, and we can call it. So this is what the package give us a place where we can write all our database objects. I'll explain you what database objects we can write in PL SQL package. Okay, so let's come down, or we can say packages are logical group of related PL SQL objects. Okay, packages are named PL SQL block. It means it can be permanently stored into the database schema and can be reused. Means we just write it once, we save this package into our database schema, and we can call it whenever we need it. Okay, and package can hold multiple database objects, such as it can hold multiple database objects such as stored procedure, PL SQL functions, database cursors, type declarations, and variables. Okay, we can write multiple multiple stored procedure in one package, and we can write multiple functions in one package, and so on. Actually, we can write these things in the package, and we can use these function and procedure in our outside of the block whenever we need it. Okay, so what is the package architecture? We will just learn about how we write the package actually. Okay, so package actually contains two kind of blocks. One is package specification, which is actually a mandatory block, and another one is package body, which is optional, but it's a good practice to provide body to the package. Means whenever we are specifying, we are giving a specification to the package body, it is a good practice to write a package body as well to that package specification. Okay, so what is package specification? In this section we put the declaration of all the package elements. These elements are publicly available in the and can be referenced outside of the package. Means we just specify all the elements, or we just declare all the elements what we are going to use in our package body. Means we are going to write PL SQL function, so we have to specify that first in our package specification, or we are going to create a stored procedure, so we have to specify that procedure in our package specification. You can get it in better way when we will see the same thing with examples. Okay, so don't worry about that, just get into this definition first. I'll explain you all the things with the example as well. Okay, let's come to syntax, how we write package specification. So syntax is very simple: create or replace package, then the name of the package, then keyword is, and here we used to declare all the package elements. Suppose we are going to write procedure or function or whatever, we declare all the functions and procedures here one by one, and end the package specification using this end keyword. And again, this package name is optional. You can write or you cannot write, it's all up to you, but it's a good practice again to write package name actually. So how we can write the package specification, this is the syntax of that. Okay, now let's come to package body. What is package body? Let's come down. Yeah, we provide the actual structure to all package elements here. In our package body, we just provide all the actual definition. I mean, what we are going to do with the function, what we are going to write in the function, what we are going to write in the stored procedure. We just mention all these things here in our package body. Or we can say a package body contains the implementation of elements listed in the package specification actually. Okay, now what's the syntax of that? Syntax says create or replace package. Then this is an extra keyword here when we are declaring package body, so we have to write the keyword body actually. So create or replace package body, then the name of the package name, whatever we have specified in our package specification, that the same name we have to write here, package name, then the keyword is, and here we used to declare our variable and type. Then we have to write begin, and here we will write the actual code, what procedure or what function or what type we are going to use here, and then end the package using end keyword. So this is how we used to write package body. Hope the definition and syntax is clear to you. In my next tutorial we will see the same thing with example. Till then, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Your support actually means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thank you very much.